1985 VW Vanagon Westfalia Deluxe Camper. It's finished in beautiful pastel white with beige interior, and it comes with, I believe, most every available option that money could buy back then, and it has been completely restored, which is fully documented by photos and receipts in the restoration portfolio. The interior is beige. The options include power steering, power disc brakes, AM/FM cassette sound system, air conditioning both up front and an independent unit in the rear, a heating and defrost system both in the front and again in the rear. The captain's chairs have armrests, as you can see. The captain's chairs both recline, and the front passenger seat actually swivels to the rear, and we'll get to that in just a moment. The interior is absolutely beautiful, as well as the exterior. It has a 4-speed manual transmission, which is fully synchronized. And as you can see, the dash is in beautiful condition with no wear, rips, or cracks in any way. The headliner is also in beautiful condition.
And on the side of this van, you've got a propane vent outlet for your stove, and you have a gray water outlet to drain all the dishwater out. And then right here you have a power hookup, so when you pull into your campsite, you can just plug in and have power. And then here's your water inlet. So you're all ready to go when you pull up to the
And the restoration included removing all of the glass all the way around it, and as you can see, the glass on the sides actually slide forward with the screens. We have the original set of full cover wheel covers and an almost new set of radial tires all the way around. In the back we have the rear window defogger and curtains that privacy curtains that will go all the way around the van.
On the inside, you've got, of course, 2 tables and the captain's chair that swings around, so you can put your laptop right there. And then you've got your water indicator, level indicator, as well as your battery indicator, along with the refrigerator. Lots of storage. That's your accessory cable that will plug in at your campsite. A drawer for silverware and such. And then it looks like a barely used stovetop and sink. Storage here, storage there, another table. Got a separate controlled air conditioning unit and heater unit for the rear. And then an overhead light here. And then up top, another sleeping deck. And this is the original top. It's in great shape, a little thin in some areas, but we've got a brand new top with 3 screens. Looks like an upgraded top to be installed whenever you need it. Also, you have a fire extinguisher installed there. But interior wise, it's in great shape. Carpet looks brand new. All the carpeting looks great. And what's important about this year and model is typically the dashes are in pretty bad shape. They, even with old Porsches, they will crinkle and shrink and look in terrible condition, and they're typically covered. But this one is original and looking great.
Included is a complete restoration portfolio, which includes a complete set of photographs of the various stages of the restoration, along with every manual that came with it from new, including the owner's manual, the maintenance manuals, number of receipts showing the restoration undertaking, and we also have the original window sticker with every single option that was ordered with the van. In the rear compartment, as you can see with the hatch up, there's a tremendous amount of storage area back here, as well as storage for additional items. I mean, there are closets wall to wall, front to back in this, and when you're camping, that's something you almost can never seem to have enough of. but this has all that may be necessary and then some. The rear seat actually will fold down and then turns into a nice sized double bed back here, so it can actually sleep and accommodate 4 to 5 individuals. As you can see, with the hatch up, the gas struts on the sides are in perfect condition because they were replaced, and as you can also see, the rubber molding around the rear hatch has all been replaced as well, which will keep it nice and tight and resistant to any moisture or water. You can also see the engine compartment, which is spotless. It was completely remanufactured, and as you can see, in October of 18, a new alternator was installed. There was also a new heavy-duty air conditioning compressor, which is now running on 134A, which drives both the front and rear unit. So the engine compartment is absolutely lovely.
It's a cold startup.